Google Home Mini Review. Small speaker, big smart home upgrade. When it comes to smart home technology, few devices have made as significant an impact as the Google Home Mini. Since its introduction in 2017, the Home Mini has remained a popular choice among consumers searching for an affordable, compact, smart speaker that doesn't compromise on sound quality or functionality. Over the years, this unassuming device has quietly earned a place in millions of homes, becoming an entry point to the broader world of connected living. But in the ever-evolving landscape of high-tech gadgets, the question persists. Is the Google Home Mini truly the ultimate upgrade for your connected home? Or has the time come to consider newer alternatives? Let's dive into the latest updates, reviews, and developments to help you make an informed decision. The Google Home Mini's success story begins with its design. Measuring just over 3 inches in diameter, this speaker fits seamlessly into almost any environment, whether it's perched on a nightstand, tucked in a kitchen corner, or sitting atop a bookshelf. Its understated fabric cover and minimalist look ensure that it blends in rather than stands out, complementing modern decor while delivering powerful audio. Users have consistently praised its sound quality, noting that for such a small device, it produces crisp vocals and surprisingly robust bass. Ideal for podcasts, music, or news updates, ease of use has always been at the heart of the Home Mini's appeal. Setup is straightforward. Just plug it in, connect to Wi-Fi using the Google Home app, and within minutes, you're ready to interact with Google Assistant. Voice commands allow you to control smart lights, thermostats, and other connected devices, stream music, set reminders, and even get answers to trivia questions. With a rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars from more than 21,000 user reviews, it's clear that the Home Mini has struck a chord with consumers who value reliability and simplicity. However, as the world of smart home technology continues to advance, staying up to date on the latest developments is crucial. In recent months, Google has acknowledged performance issues affecting many of its home devices, including the Mini. Users have reported unreliable voice functionality, laggy responses, and occasional disconnections, problems that have become more pronounced during the transition from Google Assistant to the newer Gemini AI platform. This shift is part of Google's strategy to enhance artificial intelligence capabilities, but it's come with growing pains. Anish Katakaran, Google's chief product officer, publicly apologized for these service interruptions and committed to delivering major improvements in the fall. This move signals Google's recognition of user frustration and its determination to restore the trusted experience that made the Home Mini a household staple. So, what does this mean for current and prospective Home Mini owners? The integration of Gemini AI is poised to bring smarter, faster voice command processing, allowing the device to understand more complex requests and provide more accurate responses. While some features from the original Google Assistant have not yet been fully supported by Gemini, Google's promise of major improvements suggests that the Home Mini's functionality will only get better in the coming months. For users who rely on their smart speaker for daily routines, whether it's managing schedules, controlling lights, or streaming entertainment, these updates are welcome news. In addition to AI enhancements, Google is rolling out significant updates to its Home app, further optimizing smart home management. The latest version includes a picture-in-picture mode for Nest cameras on Google TV devices, making it easier to monitor your home security without interrupting your viewing experience. Other improvements focus on seamless integration with a wider range of smart home products, streamlining device setup and control. These changes reflect Google's ongoing commitment to making the smart home ecosystem accessible, intuitive, and secure. But how does the Home Mini stack up against newer competitors in the market? The smart speaker landscape has seen rapid innovation, with devices like the Amazon Echo Dot and Apple HomePod Mini offering similar features, voice assistants, and compact designs. While all three are capable of controlling smart home devices, streaming audio, and providing voice-activated assistance, the Google Home Mini's strengths lie in its deep integration with the Google ecosystem. If you rely heavily on Google services, such as Gmail, Calendar, Maps, or YouTube, the Home Mini offers a seamless experience that leverages your existing accounts and preferences. Moreover, the affordability of the Google Home Mini remains a key advantage. Priced lower than many other smart speakers, it's an accessible way for newcomers to explore the world of voice-controlled technology. Its compact size means you can easily add multiple units throughout your home, creating a network of speakers for whole home audio or hands-free control from any room. Of course, no device is without its limitations. The Home Mini's audio output, while impressive for its size, doesn't match the richness or volume of larger smart speakers. If you're seeking room-filling sound or plan to use your device for immersive music listening, you may want to explore the Google Nest Audio or other premium models. Additionally, while the Home Mini handles basic smart home tasks with ease, power users seeking advanced automation or integration with specialized devices may encounter some constraints until the Gemini AI update is fully implemented. Security and privacy are also important considerations. Google has implemented robust safeguards to protect user data, including the ability to mute the microphone, customize privacy settings, and review voice command history. With the growing prevalence of connected devices, it's essential to stay informed about how your data is collected and used, and to take advantage of features that put you in control. So, is the Google Home Mini the ultimate upgrade for your connected home? For many users, the answer remains a resounding yes, especially in light of Google's renewed focus on improving performance and expanding features. The device's blend of affordability, compact design, and deep integration with Google's services makes it an excellent choice for beginners and tech enthusiasts alike. And with the anticipated rollout of Gemini AI and enhanced app functionality, the Home Mini is well positioned to remain a cornerstone of the smart home experience. For those considering an upgrade, it's worth monitoring the upcoming improvements promised for the fall. Google's commitment to resolving performance issues and enhancing AI capabilities will likely elevate the Home Mini's utility and reliability, restoring the seamless experience that has earned user loyalty over the years. As with any high-tech gadget, staying informed about the latest updates ensures you get the most out of your investment. In summary, the Google Home Mini continues to deliver on its promise of making smart home technology accessible, convenient, and enjoyable. With major updates on the horizon, ongoing support from Google, and a vibrant community of users, it's clear that this compact speaker is more than just a tech accessory. It's an essential part of the modern connected home. Whether you're a longtime user or just beginning your smart home journey, the Home Mini deserves a place at the center of your digital lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, please like this video. For more product specifications and pricing, click on the link below this video to shop on Amazon now, and you will be taken right to the product page. The latest reviews, news, and expert insights on high-tech gadgets. Stay tuned to High-Tech Gadgets News. More breaking high-tech news is available on our blog at besthightechgadgetsforadults.com. Don't forget to subscribe now to our YouTube channel, Best High-Tech Gadgets for Adults. Stay tuned to High-Tech Gadgets News for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest high-tech releases.